Good morning, students. Today we are going to start a new topic of English grammar, that is subject and predicate. So now let's start. Every sentence has two parts, that is subject and predicate. So now let's start with the subject. Subject gives the answer of the who and what, and whereas predicate contains verb plus what the subject is doing. Let's take one example. Example is the monkey ate a banana. First of all, we will select the verb. What is verb in this sentence? Firstly, what we will select? The verb over here. The monkey ate a banana. Verb is what over here? Ate. Ate is a verb over here. So now we will ask the question who or what. So who ate the banana? The monkey. The monkey over here will be the subject then. Okay, the monkey ate a banana, so the monkey will be the subject and verb plus object is the predicate over here. Okay, that is ate a banana. So we should remember that predicate contains verb plus object. What is verb over here? Ate. And what is banana over here? Object. Okay, so now secondly, let's start with the second example. The dog was barking loudly. Okay, so again find the verb. What is the verb over here? That is barking over here is the verb. So who was barking? The dog. So the dog will be the subject and was barking loudly will be the predicate. Okay, that is verb and this is object is what? Loudly. So was barking loudly will be the predicate. Okay, so easiest way to find out subject and predicate, you have to follow 3 steps. 1, 2, 3. Firstly, identify the verb first. You have to identify the verb first. If you will identify the verb, you can ask the question who or what. So now next step, ask a question who or what before the verb. Okay, before the verb you have to ask the question. Where you can see before the verb we have asked the question now. Who was barking loudly? The dog. So you have to ask a question who or what before the verb. The answer of who or what is our subject. The answer of who or what is our subject, and the remaining part is our predicate, that is verb plus object is a predicate. Okay, so this is all your predicate. Example, honesty is the best policy. Firstly find out what is the verb over here. Is the verb. Okay, so now what is the best policy? Honesty is the best policy na? So honesty will be the subject and is the best policy will be the predicate. So now let's look at the second example. I asked her to call me. So who asked her to call me? I. So I will be the subject, asked is the verb and her to call me is the object. So this will be the predicate. Asked her to call me will be the predicate. Okay, before verb we ask the question na, who or what. So this will be the subject and rest will be your predicate. Sanchi is listening to music. Who is listening to music? Sanchi. So Sanchi will be the subject and is the verb over here. So listening to music will be the predicate. Sometimes subject comes at last. On top of the tree lives a sparrow. Okay, so now what is the subject over here? A sparrow. What lives on the top of the trees? A sparrow. So a sparrow will be the subject and on top of the trees will be the predicate. Okay, so now next, lastly, show me how to do it. It's a imperative sentence. Show me how to do it. So show is the verb over here and me how to do is the predicate and object. So in this bache, you is the subject over because that is understandable. Whom I am going to ask? You na. So show me how to do it. I will ask from you. So it's understandable that you is the subject over here. The subject of the sentence is what or whom the sentence is about. And predicate, a predicate is the part of a sentence that tells what the subject is doing or what the subject is. That is verb plus object is the predicate. Okay, so now let's look at some more examples from your grammar book. So now let's start. Look at the following sentences. Over here the subject column is there and here predicate column is there. Firstly, the lion is the king of the jungle. The peacock is a national bird. The girl danced. I love my country. Daksh and Diya are absent. So the word under column A are subject. A subject is that part of a sentence that which something is said or described in the sentence. Okay, the word under column B are the predicates. A predicate is that part of a sentence which says something about the subject. It can be a single word or a number of words. Okay, the lion. The lion is what? Who is the king of the jungle? The lion. Question asked na. So the lion will be the subject and is the king of the jungle will be the predicate. The peacock is our national bird. What is a national bird? The peacock. So the peacock will be the subject and is a national bird will be the predicate. The girl danced. Who danced? The girl. The girl will be the subject and predicate will be what? Danced. I love my country. Okay. So next, Daksh and Diya are absent. All these sentences can be divided into two parts, that is subject and predicate. Now note one thing, that is, am, are and other verbs will always be in the predicate column. Okay, you can see that is, okay, are will always be in the predicate column. Okay, thank you बच्चे.